Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to do Sunday dinner, and I wanted to just show you what I'm doing because it's going to be super quick. You're going to need red potatoes. I've got a whole chicken. I've got homemade applesauce here, kickin' chicken, and some oranges. Sorry, she's doing the dishes. So, what we're going to do, we're going to cut this up and just chop them in 4 and put them in there. We're going to put this inside the bird. We're going to peel these and put them inside the bird. And then we're going to sprinkle this kickin' chicken on top. So you can see I am just cutting these little mandarin oranges into 2. You don't even have to peel them because the peel will actually give more flavor.
They're called cuties.
No, these ones are mandarins. Oh. So I already put the applesauce on the inside of the chicken. Don't forget to wash your chicken and to pull out the gizzards and neck whenever you wash your chicken. Now this one's defrosted, but you can do this frozen. I'm just old school and defrost my stuff first. I'm actually going to maybe do one more, but I put these, first I squeeze, and put it inside, squeeze, put it inside, squeeze, oh yeah baby.
Oh, there's a drop on the floor on the...
Why do you squeeze
Landed on there.
Because I put this sauce, I put the juice on the outside of the chicken so that it will be inside the chicken. Alrighty. Alright, now I'm going to cut these in half, guys. Okay, guys, so the chicken's in there. I've got the orange and the apple in there. I put red potatoes around. Grab my kickin' chicken.
It's too small. What seasoning is that?
I just said kickin' chicken. So it's on there. Gonna put your little lid on. Oops, hold on. I need to. Like that.
I think I'm gonna take a...
Okay, you're gonna hit manual. And I'm going up. My grandfather was in the military, and so he taught us to cook our chickens till it's cooked. I'm gonna do 50 minutes. There you go. Turn this so that it's facing down, because that's the seal. And we'll see you in 50 minutes. It's been 59. It's been 59 minutes, or 50 minutes. It's just finished. We're gonna turn this. Woo! Be careful. To steam, so it's venting. Vent, 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 vent. Oh man, you can smell it already. You can see when this will tell you. It's like low pressure. Trying to make it so you can see the steam coming off that, but it's almost done. You have to be very careful. Steam can burn, guys. It can get very hurt. So, it's been about 3 minutes since I turned the valve. And we've got a few more minutes because it's still letting the steam out. Alright guys, so it is now done. I'm gonna grab this. I love that sound. Holy mackerel. It smells so good. So I've got this fork. I'm just gonna, look at that. The potatoes are perfect. Definitely. I'll show you what it looks like after we serve it up, but we're not eating for an hour, so I'm just gonna put it on warm. Ooh, it's hot. Look at this potatoes. Perfectly roasted potatoes, perfectly roasted chicken. So I'll show you in about an hour when we actually eat. It's hard to get it perfect whenever you're using one hand. I'm just going to put it on keep warm. I'm going to taste this. It doesn't come out crispy looking, unless you look at the bottom, but it comes out very tasty. So it's a very delicious looking bird, very moist. You can see. My husband's about to cut it up. You can put this in the oven and crisp it if you want for a minute on broil, but yummy, yummy. Alright guys, so this is how it turns out. This really moist chicken. I made a little green beans on the side, and the potatoes are absolutely perfect. Just right. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful hints. Peace out.